How to use a 15-foot wheelchair ramp, a step-by-step guide from CVM World. Step 1. Start by unbuckling the straps that hold the ramp securely in place. Make sure they are fully released before moving on. Step 2. Locate the red pin catch and release the ramp. Once released, carefully begin unfolding the ramp outwards. Step 3. Next, unbuckle the clips that keep the final section secured. This allows for a smooth and complete extension. Step 4. Now unfold the last section of the ramp completely, ensuring it is fully extended and resting securely on the ground. Step 5. When you're finished using the ramp, simply reverse these steps. Fold the last section up, buckle the clips, fold the main ramp, and finally secure the straps back into place. And that's it! Your 15-foot wheelchair ramp is ready to use safely and efficiently. Thanks for following along. Stay safe and always check for proper setup before use.